world is consumed by coronavirus and what the virus might bring and when the lockdown might end, Bengalurians were worrying about something else completely on May 20th. In the afternoon, Bengalurians heard a thunderous sound at around 1:20 to 1:45 p.m. Some of the residents said that they heard a boom and a thunderous noise, whereas several others spoke about their home shaking and windows rattling as well for as long as 5 seconds. This left the residents panicked. They did not know what this was. They took to social media sites with their anxiety to debate about what this could be. And even now there is no explanation exactly to what the sound was about. But there are 3 theories that are doing the rounds. But before we tell you what these theories are and what is the explanation that has come in, let's show you some of the videos that Bengalurians themselves have put up of what they saw in the afternoon. Well, this loud sound was heard in several places. It was heard in Cooktown, in Vivek Nagar, Rammurthy Nagar, in Hostel Road, HAL, Old Madras Road. It was heard in Kamanahalli, CV Raman Nagar, even Whitefield and HSR layout in Bengaluru. So people from various parts of Bengaluru started talking about the noise they heard and the kind of mild tremors that they felt. With so much anxiety, the Bengaluru Commissioner Bhaskar Rao also clarified on all these theories during the rounds. He said that the police officials are investigating on what exactly went wrong or what exactly happened. But he did confirm, of course, that there has been no damage that has been reported. Nobody called 100 to say that there have been certain damages. But there are 3 theories what Bengalurians think could be the reasons we heard that sound. First is an earthquake. Second being a sonic boom. And the third one being a vacuum created due to the cyclonic effects. Now we're going to go through each of these theories and find out which one it is that really caused that sound that had Bengalurians worried for such a long time. Now some people felt, firstly talking about the earthquakes, a few people spoke about tremors that they felt, their windows rattling as well. This led many to believe that it was perhaps a tremor. But this was denied by the Karnataka State Natural Disaster Management Center. They confirmed that there was no seismic movement in the city at all. So this debunks the theory that there were mild tremors in the city. The second one, many speculated that this could be a sonic boom from a fighter jet that could be flying over Bengaluru. Now, what is the sonic boom? A sonic boom is a phenomenon where shock waves are created in the atmosphere when an object moves faster than the speed of sound. So a sonic boom is the sound that is associated with the shock waves that are created whenever an object is traveling through the air faster than the speed of sound. So this sonic boom generates enormous amounts of sound energy, and this sounds very similar to an explosion, which is something that Bengalurians heard as well. So there were talks that it could be a Sukhoi 30 jet perhaps flying over Bengaluru skies, because the HAL is always trying out these flights and is flying them. But this was denied by the HAL. They denied this version and they said that no flight tests were being conducted. So that debunks the second theory that it could be a sonic boom as well. Now that brings us to the third theory that has neither been confirmed nor has it been denied. Now some natural disaster management experts are of the opinion that this could be a natural phenomenon due to the cyclonic movement which created a vacuum of hot and cold air. Now, this sudden release of the air caused this sound. That's what they believe. Here as well, there is no official confirmation regarding the cyclonic theory. But interestingly, despite all of these 3 theories, we should also know that this isn't the first time a sound like this has people in Bengaluru talking about it. Believe it or not, Bengaluru has heard similar mysterious loud sounds in 2005 and in 2018 as well. And they still remain mysteries. It was in August 2005 that there was a mysterious sound that had been reported in the city, people debating about what it could be, and the debates were quite similar as well. Was that an earthquake? Was that a sonic boom? But both of these theories were denied, and that takes us to what happened in 2018. Here as well, a loud sound was heard, and there was no confirmation or explanation as to what that sound was all about. So those 2 have still remained a mystery, and going by where the investigations are as of now, which no confirmation or denial coming in from any of the authorities on what exactly it could be, it's likely that the sound that was created on May 20th will also remain a mystery, and Bengalurians will never know what it was all about. Did you hear that sound as well?